Hi, hello developers. This is a ProtoHub that we launched as a beta version. So let me explain what this platform does. This is basically the tech blog platform, but we focus on some problem that current blog platform has. So let me focus on problems. As for I wrote many blogs when I implement something by referring to some tech blogs already exist, but all tech blog will not be read ever again. Which means if I find some blogs which is doing some implementation like 2 years or 3 years ago, I usually do not follow that blog because usually that blog post focus on some old environments or version. So usually which does not work. That represents that many of the blog posts, although that is very maybe the good post, that will be outdated after 2 or 3 years, and which is not edited by the owner. So to focus on this problem, I made this feature to actually fork the blog post, like you can imagine the GitHub. Reader can fork the blog post to edit instead of just sending the editing request to the original owner, which is quite cumbersome. So the second problem is to be able to see the reproducibility of the or the time cost to implement the features or prototype. Usually blog posts, although it is appeared quite nicely written, maybe it's some missing some contents or it's very difficult to reproduce. So to tackle this problem, I implemented the reproducibility features as a comment. So the features that I explained is just summarizing here. One is reproducibility or time cost attached to the blog as a comment. And the second one is fork features to make the post better and customized. So let's dive into it. So after the beta version release, I have not much posts here, but I have some test posts here. So as you can see, the left side is normal blog entry. I can just write any blog post as a markdown style. Right side, you can see the fork information. This is the original post that I created, so I'm the owner. However, it's showing how many people actually fork this post to edit this post to make it better. It represents if many fork, which means a lot of people actually did that implementation or interested in this post to actually implement. Also, in the comment, you can select reproducibility and the time cost of this post. So you can see if this post implementation actually can be done in quite minimum amount of time, you can select extremely low time cost, or if it's very hard, you can put extremely high, or if couldn't reproduce this specific implementation, you can put the not reproducible, but if you could, you can put the reproducible aside with your normal comment. So as you can see, reader can actually check before they even read or to actually implement. You can just see the reproducibility, or the number of the people actually reproduce this implementation along the timeline. So if this is outdated, you can see that the number of the reproducibility actually goes down along the time because current version does not support this kind of implementation. So the reader can actually check beforehand to confirm this blog post is guaranteed or not. If you find something you can improve this post, you can go to the fork and you can fork this post. As soon as you fork this post becomes yours, but it just showing this is forked from original owners. The original owner actually will be still have the contribution, of course, the main contribution. However, this post becomes yours, so you can edit your post to improve your post. So this is basic platform, the guide tour. So welcome to the ProtoHub. Please enjoy. I want this platform to be like if any developers want to implement some small feature or even like big features, people can come here and as a catalog, like which implementation is available, how many people are using, how many people actually reproduced it, something like that. So please enjoy. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Please enjoy. Bye.